I'm Jim Gaffney, owner of One Planet Adventure, the mountain bike centre in Llandegla. So we run the visitor centre and mountain bike trails. We've got trails here ranging from green grade for families right through to black graded trails.
The business wasn't sustainable during the lockdown as the town. We largely are subject to visitor trade basically, so the shutdown became necessary for the shop itself.
So yeah, it's been an interesting time trying to work out how we could reopen safely for everybody. We've gone to click and collect, so we've actually got a new website that people can actually order through outside the centre, so that they don't need to come in if they don't want to. We've also gone contactless in the car park. So there's no need to bring cash with you or use cash.
My name is Colleen, originally from Malaysia, but I live here most of my life. Honey's Bakery, we produce bread, cakes, everything all by ourselves.
There are a wealth of, there's a bevy of walks in the area. You know, there's beautiful little villages where you can park the car nearby, you can walk over the rolling hills, and of course we're beside the River Allen here, you can walk by the river and over the hills here. It's, as I say, there's miles and miles of clearly marked footpaths for people to enjoy themselves on.
Myself and my business partner, we're both local, so it's always been high on our list of priorities to sort of focus on local producers wherever we can. So many of the producers for the cafe, our butcher, the fruit and veg, they're all local.
My customers come in here to pick up our locally made produce for their picnics up in the hills and the lovely areas around the town. So we're supplying them with obviously pies, oggies, we've got a big range of sausage rolls, Scotch eggs, handmade sandwiches here at the shop.
I think people need to come back to the area and know that they're going to be welcome. Everybody's suffered a lot, it's a huge tourist area, and the locals really want to get back to the way things were, whether it be rafting, walking, cycling, mountain biking. I think we all want to gradually just get back to the way things were. Maybe slowly, with less people around, and obviously slightly distanced, but we want to welcome people back.
It's a local cafe. We like to support the local business, especially during lockdown, and it's great coffee as well, to be honest with you, and the guys in there are lovely, really nice to talk to, and it brightens up your day, to be honest, when you pop in. It helps you feel a bit normal, I suppose.